The free application for Federal Student Aid FAFSA form applies to a single academic year. That means you need to submit a FAFSA form each year and make sure you meet the FAFSA deadlines for state and college aid to maximize the amount and types of aid you could receive. It's easy to renew your FAFSA form. When you log in to renew your FAFSA form, it's pre-filled with certain information from the prior academic year. You'll need to provide new income and tax information and update any information that may have changed. Follow these instructions to renew your FAFSA form. Go to FAFSA.gov. Select the Login button. Select I am a student and want to access the FAFSA form option. Select the Login to continue button. Log in using your FSA ID, account username and password. You must have an FSA ID to renew your FAFSA form. If you don't have any FSA ID, you'll be prompted to create one. On the My FAFSA page, if you're eligible for a FAFSA renewal, select the Renew My FAFSA form button. Update any pre-filled information that has changed and provide new income and tax information. Sign and submit the FAFSA renewal. Note, the ability to renew your FAFSA form on FAFSA.gov is for your convenience. You can also choose to start a new FAFSA form.